What's up, everybody? I'm Mark Rawmaker, the Real Estate Ninja.
And I'm Mark Johnson, the Real Estate Rebel.
We're with the Home Squad at eXp Realty, and we have a brand new listing here in Davenport, Florida. So Mark is a Davenport resident. So what's your favorite thing? What are some of your favorite things about Davenport, Florida?
All right, so Davenport, Florida. Right down the road here, you've got Posner Park. Shopping, eating, movies, all of it taken care of.
The Starbucks?
Of course.
The Target?
You bet.
That's all that matters. And then also this community it has a golf course in the community, so you can play golf. Now we talked about that way, we talked about golf course. What's down that road?
Actually, that's the most magical place on earth.
Oh, like Disney World?
Like Disney World.
Is right there?
Right there.
So you have shopping, restaurants, golf, Disney World. Oh, you guys. And this house, it's amazing. Let's go check this out.
Let's do it.
Right now. All right, come on. Boom. Welcome to this move-in ready 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, single family pool home in the community of Highlands Reserve in Davenport, Florida. This beautiful house has been fully remodeled with brand new vinyl flooring and carpet throughout. A new kitchen with granite countertops and custom backsplash, a new air conditioner, and one of the best features of this home by far is that there are no rear neighbors and it backs up to a conservation view. This home features a spacious open floor plan with plenty of natural light. The large kitchen offers loads of counter space and stainless steel appliances. Each bedroom is large and also offers plenty of storage, and the owner suite includes a bathroom with double sinks. Wow, okay, so location,
Check.
proximity to Disney,
Very close.
new floors,
Delicious.
pool,
Must have.
and then no rear neighbors.
None at all.
Yeah, so I feel like anybody in the world would like this house.
Anybody.
In the whole world.
In the whole world.
So if you're anybody in the world and you want to see this house, go ahead and call me, Mark.
Or me, Mark, with a C.
I'm with a K, so I don't know why you spell it like that.
Wrong way, right way, it's fine.
The C is weird, nobody understands.
Whatever.
Okay, so if you want to see this house, call us, the Home Squad with eXp Realty today. We'll set up your showing. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Why you spell it weird?
Why?
It's misspelled.
The French way is the right way.
We're in America.
Okay, so whatever, I'm fancy.
You do it wrong.
You're wrong.
You're wrong.
Me? You're what?